Would you like to learn how to make a mouth-watering Reuben sandwich? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that we'll be using, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. But our star of the show, corned beef, I made that recipe in a different video, which I will put above. You're welcome. The first thing we need to do is saute our sauerkraut. I drained the sauerkraut, and now I just want to get a nice crisp on it. The key to a good Reuben is some nice crispy sauerkraut. I'm sauteing the sauerkraut in butter on medium heat. Now we just want to get the rye and pumpernickel bread toasty. Is that how you pronounce it? Child, you know what I mean. So frying pan still on medium heat. I'm going to put a little butter on both sides of the bread and toast up the bread like so. And be sure to toast both sides of the bread. No legit Reuben sandwich is complete without some delicious homemade Russian dressing. I also made the Russian dressing in another video, which I will put above. However, store-bought Thousand Island dressing would be an adequate substitute. Now I'm going in with some provolone cheese because Swiss cheese is yucky. I said it. And now I'm just laying that delicious corned beef on top of the cheese because I'm that saucy, sassy type of chick. I like a lot of sauce on everything. And then I'm gonna top it with that crispy sauerkraut. Close up the sandwich and press down. Lower the heat so that the bread doesn't burn, but let it cook long enough so that the cheese can melt and that the corned beef can warm up. And once done, it can look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This Reuben sandwich was so super yummy. The perfect after St. Patrick's Day meal. You can't go wrong with a good old Reuben. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help you, Palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
You make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.